Alright, cool. So I know they're like a mess, but I just jumped on the charts now, trying to find a setup. It's currently what, 809. GJ, I ain't seen nothing at the moment. GU, the same thing at the moment. USD Swiss, it's also looking a little funky. I mean, these are kind of just cooking up at the moment, so there's nothing really to show. But like GJ, for example, you know, I'm just looking for it to break either these highs or these lows before I even do anything anyway. Because if not, it's just going to be consolidating all day. So GU might actually set something up right now. Yeah, if we just get some strong sells, then we might find a little setup. But when I do find something, then I'll keep you guys updated. We're in this AJ trade now. We've got volume, which is finally good. This is a 15-minute setup. But if you take a look at it on the 5, here's what happened. Consolidated for time, but at least it's held the zone. I feel like this might even push more than we think. I don't know if I'm going to hold this one longer. I might do. Because if we're looking at this, there's nothing below really. I mean, besides from these, right? But overall, this is looking like a nice little uptrend. So we'll see. Let's see if we hit TP. TP somewhere around here. And after that, we're good to go. Right, in fact, this is a 30-minute setup. Okay. Now this has a lot more meaning now than I thought. If we look at the 30 minutes here, it's a nice 30-minute supply zone. So this might push more than we think, please. This might be a nice trade, you know. I think this might push even higher. It wouldn't be wise not to hold this trade for longer, would it? It just wouldn't be. So looking at this on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, this is also a huge demand zone, right? So we can treat this trade as in different ways, really. Now for this trade, what I might do is leave it for an hour. So I'm just move my stop loss to here. TP, we're just gonna let it run, come back in like an hour, see what it's at. Oh, the thing about this is I don't usually do that. But this is slightly deviating from our trading plan. But oh yeah, USD Swiss. Oh snap, nearly forgot about that. And USD Swiss, this is what I'm looking at, and this is where I enter the trade. We do have this out right here. Have a nice little demand, and it broke. Did it not break? Don't tell me it didn't. Oh yeah, it did. So it broke the small little retracement here. Alright, now we've got a nice push. There we go. There we go. 101 is coming real soon. We're just gonna take a 101 on this. Nothing more. Got both trades in profit at the moment. Nice and steady. Alright, we're about to hit TP on Swiss. USD Swiss. Alright, TP hit. Boom, done. Nice and clean. And then we're done with that. Easy, steady. I'm just waiting for AJ now. It takes a bit longer. But USD Swiss, nice and clean. 5 minutes. We're in and out of that in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Alright, we've got that movement that we needed on AJ. Oh. Finally got a nice little push. Yeah. If we can just close above these highs, then we should be good. I might even hold this longer, you know. This is a 30-minute kind of play. In fact, the 1 hour candle actually. So we're about to break a 1 hour. Actually, we already have, in fact. So what I might do now is if we slap our entry from here, We're just gonna assume our entry was from the 1 hour candle and still see if we can go for the 1 hour. Bit of a crazy play, innit? Bit of a crazy play, but might be a little banger. We might be able to take it up here. It's crazy that on AJ that's only 13 pips. Okay, so hit TP. Oh, 169, 171. We're pumping up now, boys. I don't usually do swing trading, but in this case, this is basically what that is. I mean, swing, day trading, something like that. Anyway, the long ones basically is what I'm talking about. Now, looking at the 30, here's what we see, right? We had our entry, it's pumping up now. I'm trying to go for liquidity at the moment, right? That's the game plan, go for liquidity. Hopefully this doesn't retrace before that though. So I'm wondering, leave now or just keep it going? We filled the gaps. We filled all the gaps now. That's just my only fear. We filled all the gaps, so this could now start pumping down. And I like, okay, let me see. I'm gonna go to the smaller time frame on trading view. You see where all the gaps are, right? That's what we're gonna use. See where all the gaps are. Oh, I might leave this early. I don't know, man. I don't want this to drop to fill all these gaps. I can't be asked to wait that long. I literally cannot be bothered. But on the 1 hour, it's currently just been like the 1 hour just started pumping, so this could go up for liquidity. And that's what I know. That's why I know it. It's just there, and that's 360. That's a big difference. You know what I'm saying? So, but I might close early. I can't be asked to just drag this. Honestly, I've got more than my 1-to-1 for sure. Let me see what a 1-to-1 is on the 1 hour. All right, you know what? When we touch 1-to-1 on the 1 hour, I'm out. That's the deal. All right, that's the deal. 1-to-1 on the 1 hour and I'm out. Then I'm out. Don't care what else. 1-to-1 on the 1 hour and I'm out. So clean, nice little setup. Like this, 276. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Almost. 1-to-1 on the 1 hour and I'm out. Come on, just a few tiny bit away. Oh, TP. Hit TP, boys. Oh my, that trade took so long though, bro. So long, man. But let's go, man. So here's what I saw, right, on the 5 minute. Let's zoom out. So on the 5 minute, there was a gap. EMA was at the bottom, kind of cutting through though. Okay, this trade is even still pumping, but EMA was kind of cutting through at the bottom. But the main setup I saw was the 15 minute. On the 15 minute right here, it's just the same setup we always take. We have a break of structure. We have a nice demand, and you know, nice and clean, everything is there. We have a gap present, all good. So we entered on the break right here. It consolidated for hours, didn't move for hours, but now we've got the push. So literally that was it. That's kind of the idea to it. We got a break, we got our pump, we got it came back to retest, we entered, and the rest was history really. But obviously then I noticed that this was also a 15-minute setup. But if we check, this was also a 30-minute setup because we got a break on the 30 minutes as well. Then I checked again and I can see that we got a 1 hour demand as well. It broke this high right here. So instead, I just made this a 1 hour thing. If I was to check even more, because I didn't check this. Is this a 4 hour? There's no way, right? Let me see. A 2 hour? Yeah, that was basically where it stopped. It's not really a 2 hour setup. I don't know what this is. But it was definitely a 1 hour setup. So for that reason, we entered. We used the 1 hour as the 1-to-1, nice and clean. So yeah, not a bad trade at all. If this was on, you know, GU or GJ or USD Swiss, anything like that, it would have been a crazy trade. If you do want to continue trading with me, then be sure to check out the Discord down below. You can actually join that for free. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.